Jack's here with Ange and Addie from Legend Brands.
Today's the day.
Yes!
Ange.
Addie?
Can you please not interrupt me?
Oh boy.
Can you please not be so sensitive?
Never wait your turn.
It was my turn.
Girls,
Yes?
can we just start again from the top?
Today's the day.
Yes!
We're very excited to introduce the 370 EFI Truck Mount. Same small footprint, now equipped with the most advanced air-cooled engine. The Kohler 26.5 horsepower V-twin electronic fuel injection engine.
Why EFI? Well, for starters, it's easy to operate, even at higher altitudes.
No choke required to start, and the throttle's controlled electronically, meaning no throttle cable maintenance.
Now let's talk efficiency. Even with the 370 EFI operating at maximum speed, vacuum, and pressure, the Kohler engine is only hitting 65% capacity, which is almost 25% less than the competition. This dramatically increases reliability and longevity. And as the pros know, if an engine is gentler on the truck mount, that means less repair costs and downtime, maximizing its full profit potential.
Kohler has approved the engine under their extended life program, so the oil and filter only need to be replaced every 300 hours of use, with no break-in period required.
Most truck mount engines require first oil change after 8 hours, and then every 50 to 100 hours after that.
That's right. Its fuel consumption is the lowest in the industry, at only 1 gallon per hour in carpet cleaning mode and 1.25 gallons per hour in high-pressure cleaning mode. To put all this into perspective, for a truck mount running 600 hours per year between oil changes and gas usage alone, the 370 EFI will save users over $2,000 per year. That's more than $10,000 in 5 years.
As with all Legend Brands truck mounts, the critical exhaust components are coated with Cerakote, which lowers temperatures by 35%, making the van cooler and safer for your team.
And of course, we've included our patented heat exchange and cooling belt technology.
Working in a severe climate, we've got you covered. That's why the 370 EFI spent over a month going through rigorous testing in extreme temperatures. And for those that like added functionality, it's equipped with a 25-amp charging circuit for accessories like an automatic pump out, electric hose reel, interior van lighting, or anything else you can dream up to trick out your perfect van.
We've also updated the styling. The 370 EFI now sports a stainless steel grille and top plate.
Cooler design decals alongside functional additions to the front panel to help at-a-glance operation, including bright indicator lights that will inform users of a full tank, and even the position of the diverter system.
Simply put, the 370 EFI sets a new standard in the world of truck mounts. We've taken the most popular unit in the industry and made it more powerful, efficient, longer lasting, and easier to use. The perfect blend of performance features and a compact size at a value that blows away the competition.
The industry's new go-to machine.
The 370 EFI Truck Mount. I'm so excited, EXCITED, excited.
She's got issues.
Yeah, Legend Brands.